Hello. Today we're going to be working on creating our Google site for the novel that we just completed. So the screen that I have up currently is the Google site screen. If you have not begun creating a Google site yet, or you want to create a brand new Google site, you'll go over to your Create button right here over in the left-hand corner. And you can do it in classic sites or in new sites. I'd say go ahead and do it in new sites. So here, as you can see, you can have something with your title page. It needs a name. So whatever you want to name your site, you can name it, I don't know, what's a good title that we've studied, something to the effect of whatever title you studied. So if we're going to do The Great Gatsby, and I'll make sure that I would be calling it an analysis. And then it gives you the option of titling your page here. The analysis of a great novel. You know what? I might even correct that to say a classic novel. And then what I would do is I would hit text box so you can actually type in there. But if you want to add a picture, you can go over to these images. Let's try that again. We can get rid of that text box if you'd rather do an image and upload an image, or you can select an image. So notice there that you'll have to look it up if you know of an image that you want to select. So keep that in mind as well. The analysis of a classic novel. I know that I would sit there and put a text box in, and this is where you're going to talk about the analysis of your book and how it reaches the topic or approaches the topic. And you can talk about symbolism, you can talk about imagery, you can talk about the theme, but you're going to sit there and talk about how the topic is approached by that author, so F. Scott Fitzgerald, and how he deals with coming of age or whatever topic it is that you chose for your last novel. And you'll type that in there. Other things that you'll want to do is if you're ready to embed the Newsela article, you can embed that. You'll need to put the URL there where it prompts you to put in the URL. That is the website address that you can get from right there from a website. So hopefully you took that down when you were doing your bibliographical information for your Newsela. Same thing for the TED Talk. So this is where you're going to embed those in here, and you'll want to put a blurb in there why this was useful to the study of that novel and why it was useful for the study for the novel, not only the novel, but the topic that you chose. So keep that in mind when you're doing that. There are several different things that you can also play with as far as the layouts are concerned. You can do a picture layout here with verbiage to the right. You can do double picture and double the amount of written material underneath each picture. You can do pictures. You can do triple pictures. As you see, you have a variety of ways that you can connect with this particular thing. And then when you're ready to input and publish it, it should be able to go right here and hit your publish sign. So hopefully that will give you some direction on how to create your website. I will provide you with more information about what the rest of it should look like in a written document. Thank you and have a wonderful day.